Just outside of New York City, sports fans and lovers of history and national parks may want to add Hinchliffe Stadium to their travel list. This National Historic Landmark dating back to 1932 is unique for a variety of reasons. Located in Paterson Great Falls National Historical Park, it's the only stadium in a national park. Home field to the New Jersey Jackals today, we're taking a look at its history related to the Negro Leagues at a museum on site. Jessica Bush gives us an introduction.
Hinchliffe Stadium is the only baseball stadium that resides within the boundaries of a national park. And I love that we are actually in the Great Falls National Park. This is where Alexander Hamilton first saw the Great Falls and inspired him to choose this as the site of the first organized industrial city in the United States. And while you might not understand how Hinchliffe Stadium can fit into a remembering of the American Revolution, we have to look at what those ideals were. And with the words, all men are created equal. And we have a site here dedicated to recognizing segregation and the idea that the struggle for civil rights sort of continued through the 1960s, 1970s, and into today. In the 1930s, baseball was segregated. Rube Foster and some other partners came together and formed what would be now known as the Negro Leagues. So you have now black owners, you've got black ball players, you've got black businesses that form, and then it also gave the opportunity for fans to come out in droves to really just enjoy and cherish being together. There are only 2 stadiums still standing that Negro Leagues players played in. Hinchliffe Stadium being one. In 1933, it became the home to the New York Black Yankees, and other teams from around the country would come and play them here to packed stands. The place would sell out for these games. So the fact that we have a monument, something standing that reflects this history is pretty special. The fact that Hinchliffe Stadium was restored and that it's open again for play is really important to African American history.
What do you hope that people will take away from a visit to the museum?
Especially for the people who have been walking past the stadium for the last 25 years, I hope that now they come and they go, oh my gosh, this is where we live, this is in my backyard, I had no idea. And gain a little bit of pride about this is Paterson.
This is Paterson.
This is Paterson.